No, no. Did he really did that?
I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow.
Hi, my name is T like the drink, but I ain't sweet, you feel me? So today I'm about to review on the Sean Wotherspoon's equipment support 93 shoes. Fuck, that was a hard one to say. Before we get into this review, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, make sure you follow me on my GDB description below, as well as in the video. Make sure you turn post notification bell on so you be notified when I drop a video. And check out all my other shoe reviews. I actually have some other shoe reviews from Sean in my videos, so go ahead and check all of them out. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button if you fucking with them, and comment, you know, if you got any requests or anything, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do old shoes, new shoes, whatever you want to see. But yeah, anyways, I was very, very, very excited to get these shoes. A lot of people is not fucking with them. I think they still sitting on the Confirm app. Honestly, they just, you know what I'm saying, honestly, they're not a sexy ass shoe, they're not a beautiful shoe, they're not like a fire, I mean, they're a fire shoe, but they're not like pretty, like sexy, cute, whatever you call them. I call them sexy. But anyways, I don't know, they different though. Like I say all the time on my shoe reviews, I love shit that's different, because if you can pull off that different shit and make it look fire as fuck, then that's how you know what you're doing. And it's just, I like I say, I like to have an ugly ass shoe on. People be like, what the fuck is on her foot like that? What the fuck, them kind of ugly, but damn, she pull that shit off. Like, oh, what the fuck is those type shit? But that's just me. But anyways, you know what I'm saying? Plus, I fuck with Sean Wotherspoon. I want to be able to say I got all his collection. I don't have all that. I'm not even close to it, but I'm trying to get there. So, you know what I'm saying? One day is going. I'm gonna do like one day, couple years. Mark my word. But anyways, let's get into the box. Regular Adidas box, nothing too special about this box. That actually is the last shoe that he made, which was the fucking Disney ones. The I can't think of what it was called, but I actually got those, and they had a special box. But these ones, he's like, fuck it, I guess. But anyways, box. You know what I'm saying? It says equipment support 93. It says bow gold red and Acper size 5. My size, I haven't even looked at the shoes or anything. They came out I think it was Thursday. Pretty sure it was Thursday they came out. So they came out Wednesday and they arrived on Friday. That was the most fucking quickest shipping I ever seen. So yeah, hella quick. I fuck with that. I love that. But yeah, so let's show y'all the paper real quick. The paper got the Adidas sign and then his little symbol, which I fuck with. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but I think that's fire. I'm saying, I love when it's a collab and they add their own little touch to it, like make it different, because you know what I'm saying, regular Adidas papers don't have a sign on it, to make it a little different. And then just to do the paper is fire to me. I love that when people add their own little touch to a shoe, you feel what I'm saying? I mean, for like, not a, like a paper or a box or something like that, I like that. Now honestly, I never looked at them like since I had them got them in, and I really didn't look at too many pictures of them because I really was like when I look at it when I interact for the shoe, I don't want to look at too many pictures of them because I want to be like all excited. Then if I don't get them, I'm gonna be like fuck. But then when I do get them, I don't want to look at too many pictures. I want it to be a surprise when I get them. But anyways, okay. I talk too fucking much. My ass keep going on and on about anything. Anyways, okay. But they ain't, I'm telling you, they ugly. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. They ugly as fuck, but one thing I love about all his collabs is his shit is so colorful. Now, if y'all been watching, I love my colorful shit. I love my colorful shit. You know what I'm saying? The basic colors is fine, but colorful shit, I fuck with it. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Okay, I just noticed. Okay. I got a headache, y'all. So if y'all see my energy a little off, I'm sorry, but it shouldn't be. But okay, so first of all, this shoe remind me of a fucking I got a Supreme bag. It's a fucking what is it, crossbody? It looked like that, like but it remind me like a bag, like y'all see, like the netting. That remind me of a bag. It remind me of that Supreme bag I got. But anyway, so that netting is something different. When I actually saw these shoes first, I was like, I don't know, cause I'm not a fan of this netting. I feel like if they didn't have the netting, it would look a little better. But the fact that they do have the netting, it is fire because it is different. But I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. Got the red Adidas signs right there, red little 3 stripes. This is like a regular, what would you call this? I'm bad at textures. I'm really bad at textures, but like a fucking like a cotton, no, not a cotton, like a fucking, I don't know, a regular like type of, like if you was to think of a damn Supreme or like a damn side, a crossbody bag, that's what that remind me of, that material. But yeah, that's what that is. And it goes like leather right here, right there. Yep, and the tongue is leather as well. Okay, yeah, that's about all the materials. And this, I think this remind me of like a fucking oh my god, like pants or like a bag. I don't know what, this whole shoe remind me of a bag. I don't know. It just do. And then especially with like this, I don't know, it remind me of a bag. I don't know what I would do. But anyways, okay, so on the side we got like the red stripes, you know what I'm saying? Then like the little netting. You got the purple, and then you got his sign right here, symbol in light blue. Then you got like red and blue and yellow fucking like triangles. And then front you got, I love that. You notice that look like a biohazard sign, like I don't know. But and you got the triangles going right there too in the green, and then the same pattern right here on that side too. On the midsoles you got the gray with the little sparkles like specks of like dark gray on it. That's fire. I love how they got the little red right here too. That's fire. Red on the bottom. Ooh, red and green on the bottom. I like that. And then on the top you got 5 different colors that I ain't never seen. They remind me of a crayon box too. Ooh, a crayon box. This shit remind me of something like that. Like fucking not elementary. What is it called? Kindergarten. It remind me of like kindergarten. I don't know. I'm just saying this should remind me of every fucking thing. But I love that. I love that. That's different. That's fucking. I ain't never seen nothing like that. That's different. That's fire. I love it. Then you got it saying Adidas and like Adidas equipment in 3 different colors and like placed in 3 different areas. It's so fire. So fire. So fire. But yeah, these then in the inside you got like the bulletin board like type of like texture, or not texture, material. On the back you got What, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors in the flowers. Like he did this on another Adidas too, and the little like strings coming out. I think that's fire. I think that's fire as fuck. That's different. Dude creative. Dude hella creative. I like that too. That look like a like, you know, the off-white belts. They got that. But yeah, he's so creative. Like he's just like everything he thinks of, even if it's not like fire. Like as in like everybody think it's fire. I always think it's fire, but it's just different. Like you ain't see nobody else create anything like that. It's just fire. It's different. It's crazy to me. But anyways, okay, let's get to this. Oh my god. Okay, so the other shoe, that was the right shoe. The left shoe, look at, you see how that one's red right here? It got blue. That's fire. I love when shoes don't look like it's different. Oh my god. Why does one look bigger than the other one? Then on this one, instead of having the Adidas equipment, it got this symbol in 3 different colors. See? That's fire. That's fire as fuck. Okay, then on the inside it got the blue instead of the red. I think everything else pretty much matches. No. So I got the Adidas sign right here, and then it got his symbol right there. That's fire. Yeah, everything else pretty much matches. I think that's fire as fuck though. Like how some of the stuff didn't match. That's fire. That's different. Yep, that's fire. I love this little like lace lock. I love that, cause it don't look like a regular like Jordan one. It look different, like some you have on pants or something. Yeah, these shoes is definitely different, definitely crazy. And the thing that honestly set these bitches off for me is this. So I'm gonna put a picture of them in there with this on there, because I'm not gonna put them on yet. But these right here, these little bees things, I'm not sure what it spells. I'm sure it probably spells equipment. I don't know what else, but it got letters in there, and then it got bees, green, blue, and red and yellow. And you put them in on the laces. That's so fire. Like, have you never seen nobody do nothing like that? So he put them on the laces. That's fire. I'm definitely doing that. For sure doing that. For sure I'm putting them right here. That's fire. That's so fire. Like really, that's what set it off. Cause like when you had the laces hanging, then you had the beads just shaking. I'm telling you, this man is art. This man is a work of art himself. Like, but it's just crazy to me, like how somebody could just think to put like so much onto a shoe. And yes, it's fire to me. Like, it's just different. Like, it's so much on this shoe that it's just like who the fuck thinks of that? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. These people that be creating this shit be so fucking creative. Like, I wish my ass was that creative shit. But I don't know. I really do love these shoes. Like, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, what I'm gonna wear with them. But let me know in the comments if y'all want to see a styling video to these ones. I think I am gonna do one, because I feel like a lot of people wouldn't know what to wear with these. I honestly don't know what to wear with these yet, but I will figure it out. But you know what I'm saying? Like I said, these are different shoes, so you just like, it could be easy, but it couldn't be easy to pull off. I don't know, but I definitely got one outfit I think I'm gonna pull on with these. But definitely gonna put some fire ass shit with this. So let me know if y'all in the comments if y'all want to see a styling video, and check out my other styling video to my Bad Bunny Adidas. Go ahead, check that out. If y'all fuck with Adidas, go ahead and hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to hit y'all with all these different videos all the time. Every day I'm dropping videos, and it's been exhausting. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but you know what I'm saying, I'm doing it for y'all, and I'm hoping it pay off. I'm hoping y'all liking my content. Hopefully y'all fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Help my subscribers go up, please and thank you. Make sure you're sharing. You know what I'm saying? I want to get to 4,000 hopefully by the end of the month, and if y'all do that, you know what I'm saying, I really would appreciate it. But if not, I appreciate the ones watching. I appreciate the ones supporting always. But yes, I did forget to mention the inside actually. So on the inside, it got like, what is it, like a mustard color yellow right there, and then it got red. Like, I love that. It's like two-tone. I fuck with that. And, oh no. Did he really did that? Okay. See, I almost missed one of the most important parts. Okay, so then the inside on the tongue got red right there, right? It's a whole zipper. A zipper. Hold on. Let me see what this is about. That's crazy to me. Okay, so it don't go all the way unzip. It literally just goes from like, I mean, which I expected. It goes from like this end to this end. The pocket isn't. Oh, but it is pretty deep. See, I think these gotta be like a tribute to like a bag or like something. I'm thinking that. That's what I'm thinking. It's like a tribute to like it. Like he got the design like thinking of a bag. I think so. It gotta be that. I don't know. I didn't check up into it, but I'm thinking that. And then look at the inside. That's so fucking crazy. Look at that inside. That's so fire. Oh my god. And the inside is designed like fucking crazy. Look at them designs like flowers. Hella different colors. Like, I wish I could like. I'm trying to see if I can like. No, you can't. I wish I could like. I don't know. Like. Take it out, like not take it out, but like I don't know. That's so fire to me. Like if I could like show it, I want to show it. I don't think I can show it though. No, I don't think I can show it. But that's fire. That's hella fire. Honestly, I probably you can't even show it. But that's fire. Or I could just like wear them like open a little bit. I don't know. I'll figure out something I'm gonna do with it. But that's fire. That's different. I ain't never seen that on the shoe ever, ever, ever. Let me know what y'all think of them. Let me know what y'all think of that. Let me know if y'all think that's fire. Last shoe he had I think the last shoe he had that I did a review, I don't think it was he had like a bag attached to the damn shoelaces. That's fucking fire too. I feel like all his shoes kind of like give me like a camping vibe. I don't know why, but they do. It's like his shoes are like made to travel. Like you finna go somewhere with them. Like you gonna need them. Like you gonna need that like little stash pop, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You gonna need something. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. Like I said, I'm tired. My head hurt. But let me know what y'all think of them shoes. Like these are fucking fire. Like I know a lot of people gonna be hating on them. A lot of people gonna have something bad to say about them. But I see it. I see it. But you know what I'm saying? They different. And I'm always fucking with the different shit. But let me know what y'all think of them. Let me know what y'all rate them. Let me know if y'all fucking with them. And yeah, let me know if y'all have them. If y'all do have them, what y'all wearing them with. What y'all plan on wearing them with. If y'all have them and y'all did already wear them, what did y'all wear them with? And yeah, let me know. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my G. Please help me with, you know what I'm saying, getting 4,000 before the month end. We got like 2 more weeks. Y'all can do that for me. I appreciate that so much. And yes, thanks for watching. See you guys next video. Homie up, cause his daughter 12 years old, he gotta go do 21. And I don't fuck with no fuck niggas. So